866-928-3310. The CFRN Emini Futures Cast is now on Stitcher. Listen to us on your iPhone, Android phones, BlackBerry, and WebOS phones. Stitcher is smart radio for your phone. Find it in your app store or at Stitcher.com. Stitcher Smart Radio, the smarter way to listen to radio.
Are you ready, Steve? Andy? Yeah! Bert? Well, all right, fellas. Let's go!
You're listening to CFRN, the Christian Financial Radio Network.
Today's broadcast is brought to you by Audible. Get a free audiobook download at www.audibletrial.com/CFRN. Over 85,000 titles. Choose from mystery, romance, religion, science, technology, business, New York Times bestsellers, even children's books. You name it, Audible has it. With 85,000 titles to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect audiobook for yourself or to give as a gift, and it's absolutely free. Just point your browser to audibletrial.com/CFRN. That's audibletrial.com/CFRN. And become a part of the audiobook revolution by downloading your free audiobook today. audibletrial.com/CFRN.
Hey, trader, want to get rich quick? Well, good luck with that. If, on the other hand, you actually want to learn how to trade, the place to be is www.cfrn.net. Tune in Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern for our daily devotional, and then spend the next 3 hours learning how it's done from professional traders who actually trade for a living. That's www.cfrn.net. Every trading day from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern. CFRN, a community of believers who trade for a living.
Good afternoon, traders, and welcome back to the CFRN Emini Futures Cast. This is the daily broadcast of Indeterminate Length, where we discuss all things Emini, along with some really big ideas on the finer points of trading gold, bonds, crude, sugar, the euro, and even T-bills. Joining us today from our studios in Boston, Mr. Michael Borth. From our trading desk in Chicago, Mr. Burton Schlichter. Now, to get things started, let's go to our host and founder in Studio A, overlooking South Mountain, America's largest city park. Here's Dwayne.
Good afternoon. Welcome back. Today is Friday, 17th day of November, 2017. Michael is doing planes, trains, and automobiles today, so he's going to come on first to give you a recap of the live training room. I do want to say, if you cannot see the charts, maybe you're new to the show, go to our homepage at cfrn.net. On the right hand side, click the big microphone, follow the instructions. You'll be registered through the end of the month, and you only register once per month, and you'll have one-click access. The other option is youtube.com/CFRN/live. Bookmark that page, one-click access. Michael, take it away.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
How long is this going to run?
5 minutes.
Okay.
All right. Here we go. Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Friday, the 17th day of November. 17 days. 11/17/17. All right, let me bring my first bring this over. Okay. If you have not taken a free trial with us, then you simply need to go to the home page here at cfrn.net and right up here at the top where it says sign up for the CFRN Live Training Room free trial, user indicators, learn our strategy. Click here. If you click there, it will be brought to this page where we ask for your email, your first name, and how you found us. Then all you have to do is hit submit. Okay, hit submit. You read all this stuff. It's all true. It's all important. But hit that submit button. When you hit the submit button, you'll be sent a confirmation link. You must click on the confirmation link. Okay. If you don't click that confirmation link, you will not get a free trial. That's a simple fact, because we don't know that you took the free trial until you hit that confirmation link. Okay. Now, recap of the results from today. If you're going to read this spreadsheet, you got to read all the CFTC risk disclosures down at the bottom. All right. Today, as I said, is the 17th day of November, 2017. Today we made 1 tick in the euro, 24 ticks in the Russell. We lost 8 ticks in crude and made 15 ticks in gold. That's 196.25. 196.25. Took us 97 minutes and 9 trades this morning to get to our goal for the day. At that point, we're at 126.25, and we took a total of 11 trades today. Okay, so on the month now, we're at 1727.50. That's over 12 days, averaging $143 a day. On the year, we just crossed over $30,000, $30,010. That's over 217 days, averaging $138 per day. And that's trading 1 contract. So if you added 1 contract per month, even though we had a couple of really slow months this year, you can see the difference in the months. If we had a good month, right here, the month of July to August. Well, August was a good month apparently, because there's like 20-something thousand in that month. But anyway, just the power of compounding. All right, let's get into what happened or did not happen today. In the gold, let's see. Well, we took this opportunity right here in the gold and made 7 ticks on that. And this one right here made 8 ticks, putting us at plus 15. Okay, plus 15 on the gold. Now this right here was pushing in a new high at the time, so we didn't do anything with that. There was a trade right here that we missed that worked out pretty nicely. And then during the break, it was just pounding in new highs. You can see right here. So there's not much that I would have done with it going into new highs like that. Okay. On the euro, we had 1 tick right here, and we missed a momentum short right there. That would have been a few ticks. Okay, and then during the break, there was a long trade right here, and another long trade right there, and that was it on the euro. Let's see. On the crude, we stopped out here on the crude. Okay, and then we didn't get another opportunity until way over here, and we got to break even on that one. That was it. It looks like, man, let me shrink this up. It looks like there was a long trade right here off the BBC that's not working out right now. Okay. On the Russell, let's go back to the beginning here. We started out with a break even here on the Russell. Now I should have taken some profit on this, but it moved really fast, and I ended up with a break even on it. Then I stopped out. I was -8, and a break even. Then I had a +8 right here to get us back to break even. Then a +10, and then a +14. Okay. What time is it? Oh, this was during the break. Okay, right in here, there was a long trade there, another one there, another one. No, the cycle's going down too steep. So there was a long trade there and there. And then the cycle was going down too steep to take this. Well, actually, that first one. This one we could have taken. The cycle was good for that. And that was it. Right now, it's actually got a long trade going on right now off the BBC right here. Okay, That was the Russell. ES. Well, this is the story of the day right here on the ES. Nothing you can do. Just stuffed between these two zones here on the ES. Okay, not much you can do with that. So we'll go back to the spreadsheet. Okay. Hang on, let me bring up the question box. There are no questions. Okay. No questions. Okay, so today is the 17th day of November. We made 1 tick on the euro, 24 ticks on the Russell, lost 8 ticks on crude, made 15 ticks on gold. That's 196.25. Took us 97 minutes and 9 trades to get the goal for the day today, and we took a total of 11 trades. On the month now, we're at 1727.50. That's over 12 days, averaging 143 per day. Okay. If you're going to read the spreadsheet, you got to read all the CFTC risk disclosures down at the bottom. Oops, I forgot to go down and give you the annual. On the year now, we're at $30,010. That's over 217 days, averaging 138 per day. Okay. Now, if you have not taken a free trial with us, go to the home page here at CFRN.net. Right up here at the top, it says sign up for the CFRN live training room. 100% free trial. User indicators. Learn our strategy. Click here. When you click there, you'll be sent to this page right here. Okay. On this page, we ask for your email, your first name, and how you found us. Hit the submit button, and then you'll be sent a confirmation link. Once you get that confirmation link, you got to click on it. Then we know you took the free trial. Okay, we don't know you took the free trial until you click that link. All right. That's it. That took 7 minutes. So with that, we'll pass it back out to Studio A, fabulous Phoenix, Arizona, overlooking South Mountain, America's largest city park. Dwayne, if you are ready. And if you are not,
yeah,
Dwayne is ready. Okay, good. Good.
Okay, that should do the trick, I think. Yep. So guys, Bitcoin's still sitting at that double top, right at 8,000. Just hanging, hang time.
Oh, it's gonna.
Michael,
you know, this weekend.
Time.
You know, this weekend it's gonna bust through that.
Yeah, and that's why. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know how we're gonna talk later, but I tried to hook up my other institution, and it said not permitted in this state, so which is weird. I don't know. Obviously, that's some personal thing they got.
Yeah, I guess. All right.
Okay, buddy. Having a great, safe trip, and I'll talk to you later.
Okay, we'll talk to you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys, let us... Man, I sent an email out last night about the CT Global Coin Partners pre-sale, and I came in this morning to... I've been all morning. I've just been working on that, so I'm not up to speed on everything. I've got more to do. So today's show will probably be a little shorter than they have been this week, but I have to get that stuff done. So if by chance you did not get an email where the subject line said Christian Traders last night, send me an email, support@christiantraders.com or support@cfrn.net, and I will reply and make sure you get that email. Okay, wasn't expecting that kind of response, but it was great. Good day, good day. All right, let's take a look at the numbers around the world. These are the cash markets. Okay, starting at home, the Dow is down 90 points. NASDAQ is up a little over 1 point. S&P 500 is down 3 points, and the Russell 2000 is up 4.5. It's probably the quietest day we've had all week. In the commodity basket, crude oil is up $1.36. That's 2.5%. Trading 56.48 last. Gold, go gold, up $12.20. That's almost 1%. Trading 12.90.40 last. And in the Asian markets, at the closing bell, the Nikkei was up 45 points. Shanghai was down 16, which is half of 1%. And the Hang Seng was up 180 points, which is a little over half of 1%. Last but not least, color of the day in Europe, still red. FTSE closed down 6 points, DAX down 53, CAC down 17. No movers, no shakers. But we got movement. Not a lot in the S&P, okay? That price tried to come down. Should have got there based on historical observance, but it went back, was held down, came within a tick, went back, made it. Now from 84 to 70, what we got? So we got 5 down, 5 up, 5 down. So that's 15 points. Yeah, we can live with that. Okay, let me get over to these Concierge Trade Alerts real quick and take a look and see what happened. There we go. Got them out early before the partners meeting, 6:15 Eastern. Okay. Our goal was to buy 25.91 on the S&P if possible. Not possible. Or to sell 25.82 if possible. Very possible. Okay? So it looks a little something like this. As we know, important prices, important areas are almost always tested. Okay, well, you can pretty much see for yourself. From 82, we made it almost to 79. We got down to 79.50, and then back above the trigger, down we go again. Back above the trigger, down we go again. So I guess that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now from zone to zone, from 79 to 84, there'd be 5 points. But from 52 to 79, that's 3 points. There we go. Now we got it straight. All right, moving on to the YM. Not the YMCA, no. Here, let me, you guys take a snapshot of this if you want. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sell 23380. Okay. Okay, the first move down took us to a low at 32. So I guess that's going to be 48 points. Important prices, important areas are almost always tested when you have volatility. And we got back above the trigger. And this time we dropped to 25. So that's going to be 55. Michael mentioned the chat box, but for some reason I don't see it. So, wait, this is last week's zones. Are these last week's zones? I thought I fixed them. Oh, turn the page. $23,450, right? 23395, right? 23350, that's right. And 23290. Yep, all good. So see how we're consolidating here? And so that should say this week's list. Hey, now we're cooking. No, excuse me a minute. Okay. Now we can mosey on. Let's see what happens. Soybeans, we're just start at the, oh, you know, I'll pull it up on another chart. Gold. Ooh, gold got to move on. Are these this week's zones for gold? Let's see. 79.80. And then after that, it's 88.89. Gonna move right on through that. Okay, on the concierge, consider buying 1283, which happened right here. Important prices, important areas, almost always tested. Okay, buy 1283. And the high so far, so it's about $800 per contract available. However, got to remember, we never get out of the swing high or swing low because of trailer stop. That means you're always going to leave a little something on the table. There's yield chat box. Thank you, Michael. Okay, so there's gold. We did the ES. Let's do crude. I'm going to make sure these zones are right. 45.50, yep. 95, yep. Yep. All good. Consolidation, zone to zone, consolidation. Now, if you're not a partner, it's important that you understand. I sent these numbers out to the partners Monday morning at 6:15 a.m. Eastern. I've been doing that for many, many years. And so one might ask, well, how would you know it's going to consolidate there and then run up here and consolidate again on Friday, way back on Monday, actually Sunday night? Well, that's a very good question, and someday I'm going to teach people how to do that. But in the meantime, last night's concierge was to buy 55.45, which would have been down here. And we've put in a high up at 56.45, so that's $1,000 per contract available. So if the market made available, what you took out of it is between you and your mouse. Now, what was the next zone below that? 55.95. Oh, the lowest weekly zone, which was way down at 54.70/75. Never quite touched it. There's the Sunday night Globex Open at the yellow arrow. And that's this week in crude. Dow, the Russell. Okay, on the Russell, consider buying 14.94. Ooh, we just got there. So that hasn't really produced anything yet. Oh, and we got burned on this side. Sell 14.82. That's the truth about trading. NQ. Man, that thing's flat all night. We wanted to buy 63.50, which if you did, you got, well, you either got stopped out or you're still in the trade. Oh, Robert, that's right. We're on a new contract now. But you know what? I made the mistake of sending out the numbers on the old contract. So we're now on GCLF8 instead of GCLZ7. Thank you, Robert. I'll get it right Sunday night. I hope. And sell 63.36. That was another sharp stick in the eye. Yep. How about bonds? What do bonds have to offer? On bonds, so 5 ticks at 31.25 per tick. And on the buy side, wait a minute. Oh, I see. It's because I got him out early last night. It's buy 153.11, not sell. ZBZ7 by 153.11. Okay. Let's stop that. Up to 24, so that's 13 times 31.25 per tick. Back below the trigger, off we go again. Made it up to 154.05. So 17. Does that sound about right? No. No, it doesn't. How about 27? There you go. 32 ticks is a grand. This produced 27. Okay. So, oh, I said I would find soybeans, didn't I? Okay, on soybeans we said to consider buying 974. Right there. And we put in a high at 984. So that's 10 points. Soybeans pay exactly the same as the S&P. $12.50 per tick, $50 per point. 4 ticks to a point. Okay. So there are the beans, the gold, the S&P. S&P may go again. Crude, wrong contract. That should be GCLF 8. There's the Dow, 48 and 55. Russell, not good. NASDAQ, not good. Bonds, yippee-yi-yay, but I don't recommend trading bonds. Okay, again, guys, I'm so sorry we have to cut the show short today. We've had some nice long shows this week, but I've got so much to do here, and I will explain it all to you on Monday. Some things going on. I'll get you all caught up, I promise. Look for a possible webinar over the weekend, and I'll make sure everybody gets the email. If you did not get my email last night, send it to me. Support at christiantraders.com or support at cfrn.net, and I'll get right back with you. Okay? Thanks again for tuning in today. Whoever you are, wherever you are, may God continue to richly bless you with His mercy and with His grace. And I'll see you at the bell.
Remember this, there is no greater return on investment than to see a human life changed and given hope. As always, pray hard and trade safe. Any financial information discussed on this show is simply the opinion of our host, Dwayne Reeves, his co-hosts, and guests. To learn more about trading Emini Futures or to take a 1-week free trial in our live trading room, call 1-866-928-3310. 866-928-3310. Information discussed on this radio program should not be construed as a recommendation to buy or sell any security. Always do your own due diligence and consult with a licensed securities broker or financial planner before making any investment decision.